Okay, so this is from Codingbat, the Warmup-1, and the question is or35, the task name. Um, Here on this question, we're gonna talk about modulus, which is the mode percentage sign, and in short, it's a mode operator. So, what is mode? Let me try to explain it first. It's basically, it gives us the remainder of a number, остаток на русском. So, kaldık Kırgızca, let's say we try to divide 2 by 2, it will be equal to 1, right? And if we try to divide 3 by 2, then it will be 1, but we will also have a remainder, right? So if we do divide, let's say 5 by 2, then we would have also a remainder, but this time it will be 2.1, and so on. Basically what it means is that let's say we try to divide 7 by 2. What happens is that we will multiply 2 by 3, and which will be equal to 6. So but we have 7 here, right? This is the maximum number that we can divide 2 by, so that the least remainder we will have after subtracting the result of this multiplication from the given number. So 7 minus 6, and we will have 1. So this is our remainder modulo, and in order for us to finish this task here, we will need the help of that. Return true if the given non-negative number is a multiple of 3 or 5. Use the modulus operator to get the remainder. And now they do have a link here. If you click on this, they will explain more about modulo. So this method is public, and the return type it expects is a boolean. So boolean is only true or false, and method name is or35, and as a parameter it takes an integer n. It can be any number like these in this case. So 3, they passed 3, so 3 modulo 3 is 0, so we have to return true. And then 10 modulo 5 will be also 0, because 10 divided by 5 is 2, and there is no any remainder after that, so it'll be true. And what about 8? 8 modulo 3, we will have remainder 2, and 8 modulo 5 will have remainder of 3, so we have to return false here. Now if we try to solve this task, it'll be we know we are being passed an integer n as a parameter, so we're going to use that. N modulo 3 equal to 0, or n modulo 5 is equal to 0, then we want to make sure that we do return true. Now else return false, because if the remainder is not equal to 0, like in this case, we have to make sure to return false. So only if the remainder will be 0 when we divide n by 3 or 5, then we can return true. And we have to return false if vice versa. So that is our solution, and looks like it worked for all of them.